Okay, here we have the first alert, model SFA2650. Now this is an atomic radio-controlled weather station alarm clock with a wireless sensor. Automatic time set and DST update. 3D weather symbol. Sunny, slightly cloudy, cloudy, and rainy. It gives you display of time, date, weekday, with indoor and outdoor temperature and humidity. It's also an alarm clock. Snooze function, light function, weekday in 7 languages. Time zone selection, remote sensor included, and what I like is the colors. Now from the side, you can see your little weather forecast station there. It's glass, it's really neat. Plus this clock weighs a lot. It is solid. Wait till you hear the alarm in a moment. It's a 4-stage ascension. It's very nice. Quality by First Alert.